It's your girl Receivers coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend to tell your mama and them, cause we litty over here. So without further ado, y'all, I got my little cup. Y'all know I love stuff that sparkles and shines. So I'm gonna be doing a what's in my bag. I'm actually gonna be changing on my bag. I've been rocking with this MCM medium tote bag, shopper's tote bag for a minute, y'all. I had got this from the Gate. And it was under $30, probably 20 something, 30 something, 40 something. Definitely under $50, but yeah, I've been rocking with this because y'all know I love my old school MCM cognac. I just love it. So I've been definitely in a chokehold with this bag, and I even had this little the little sunflower, and also I had made a nail, so cute, a little hand nail for my purse. And I like to, you know, make these just to, I don't know, it's a conversation starter because people are like, oh my goodness, that's so cute. So I'm gonna take this off of here because I might put it on my bag that I'm gonna be changing into. So y'all, I did a video, depending on when this video gonna come out, because y'all, the videos are stored. Y'all know my situation. Y'all know MS be having me they don't have me in the chokehold, be having me in the bed, like in the hospital bed. So I'll be having like videos stored up. So depending on if this come out before or after, I had actually did a video of changing my purse over to this purse, and I've been using this purse ever since. So we're just gonna go ahead and I had mentioned this earlier in a video that I had purchased this from Temu. It says MGM instead of MCM, but I thought it was cute because it definitely goes. So let's get into it. We got my keys, which also has a hand on it. My wallet, also purchased this from Temu. I had purchased this from DH Gate. It was like a pack of 4 cosmetic bags. Let's see. This tissue that I never eat. Y'all, it's the same tissue that be in every purse. My Fruit Ninja sword. Lip gloss. I always got more than one lip gloss or a whole bunch of lip gloss. This is the Diamond Plumper by Physicians Formula. What's this? I don't know what this is. This is from Micro Center. Johnson's & Johnson's baby lotion and powder. You can usually get this out of the travel section at Walmart. Y'all know me, I'm a big body Benz. I sweat, but I don't like to be funky. I don't like to not smell good, so I always keep like lotion with me, powder if I need to touch up a little bit if I'm sweating. You know, it's the summer, so it's just like, come on now. This is also part of this trio, or it's not a trio, it's a 4-0. Lip gloss. We got the Too Faced lip injection. I love this stuff. It's so glittery and pretty. Almost out of it, and this is like 20 bucks. It's up there with like the Fenty lip gloss. It's $20, and I've been trying not to use it because it's like so glittery. I love it, but I might have to re-up. Hand sanitizer from Dollar Tree. Y'all excuse my band-aid, my hand is still healing. This is my memory card. I just went to Micro Center not too long ago. They sent me something in the mail. Basically, I could get a free 128 gigabyte jump drive or micro SD. So I got the micro SD because I can use this for recording. What else? What is in here? I don't know. I'm gonna go through this stuff, y'all. I'm just taking stuff out, and I got change in here. A band-aid and hand sanitizer, and then my tools I use because I got long nails, and so I don't touch dirty surfaces. So that's it. Well, this quarter looks funny. Hold on, y'all. Oh, this is a different one. So I was like, hold on, because who's on the quarter? I don't know who's on the quarter. I ain't even about to sit up here. But look, y'all, compared to the regular one, he looking a little full figured, but that's okay. So y'all, I had purchased this bag off of the Gate also. This was under $25. Let me move this on back. Y'all, this is my nail table. Hope y'all are not, okay, I hope y'all are not like If it's a little crooked, I'm sorry, y'all. But I had got this because now that it's hotter, I need to travel, still lighter, but travel with stuff that I actually need to use. Um, so this is the Chanel tote bag, and I put these fillers in here. I actually didn't want to use a purse insert because I'm going to use this instead, because in the inside it's white, so it's easily to get dirty. So I told myself I'm going to use this. I got this off of Temu as an insert and put the stuff in here and then put this inside the purse. And I think this was in a small or a medium size. So it's like that. So what are we going to pack up? So in here we have our Crest Scope spray, breath spray to keep your breath fresh. And we also have our Tums. Y'all, the older I get, the more heartburn I get. My esophagus be burning, acid reflux, and I try not to eat spicy stuff, but I noticed that the Tums work as a temporary relief for me. So we got that. We're gonna continue to put this tissue in here. And I don't use this, y'all, because I keep tissue and Kleenex and paper towels in my car. So yeah, we're just gonna still put it in there. Let's look in here. This Glam Squad, I got this from Dollar Tree. So what's in here is, just gonna take it out. More breath spray. We got this Vaseline Cocoa Glow body cream. I got this from Dollar Tree also. And we got some Band-Aids, alcohol wipes, lid wipes, because I got very, very bad allergies. And y'all, my eyes be like swollen shut. So my eye doctor recommended I get these. Plus my eyes are very dry. So I use these lid things because I noticed that I'm always having like dry skin on my eyelids and it's irritating. I got these Crest Scope no water needed toothbrushes, keep the breath fresh. I have a toilet seat cover. Hand sanitizer. You cannot have too much hand sanitizer. It's always good to have it, because then if you're with someone, like when I'm with my people, as soon as we get in the car, hand sanitizer. It's just like, it's like a routine with us. So I always keep more than enough hand sanitizer, because when we roll deep, and I want to make sure I got enough for everybody. And then another breath fresh spray. We got our soap sheets. Definitely good to have when you're out, because sometimes if you're in public at a restaurant, it's sad to say, but sometimes they don't have soap or they run out of soap. So it's good to just be prepared. I got these flossing plackers. Y'all, that's one thing I hate, to be eating something and something is stuck in my teeth, and I'm trying to use any and everything to dig in my tooth, and it's just not working. So yeah, got those. Let me see. Hold on, y'all. This was like so neat. Then I messed it up. That was about as neat as it's gonna get. So it's good to have like that little purse travel survival kit in your purse. So we're gonna put that in there. What else? Fruit Ninja Sword. Also, this is air sanitizer. I remember when the whole global situation went down and you couldn't find Lysol. I was buying a whole bunch of these air sanitizers. What is it, Ozium or something? That's definitely good to have. Johnson & Johnson lotion. Hold on, because I'm trying to put this in here neatly. Small baby powder. What else? These small hand sanitizers, in case I don't want to be digging through that little survival kit bag. I could just have these ready on go. What else? I had got this from the local beauty supply store. This is Chanel number 5. It's a little spray perfume, and it actually comes in the little hand sanitizer thing that you see at Ulta, but it's actual perfume. So put that in there. And I got a whole bunch of lip gloss in here. I'm not packing this because that's just unnecessary. Yeah, so we're just gonna pack these 2 lip glosses. Then our little gadget, actually use this to either open the door or press the dial or keypad when you're doing a transaction at stores. And then this thing, you actually stick your credit card in between here, and it's easy to put it in and out of the key thing, especially if you have long nails. Got a band-aid and just another hand sanitizer for real. Close that up. So we got that. And then also, y'all, I like to chew gum. So I like to get me a little Ziploc bag. Put me some mints in here. Gotta have fresh breath. I love these ones. I usually get these in the big tub at Walmart. They're in the candy section. The soft mints. I actually need to get some more. Matter of fact, I might as well just pour them in there. And y'all always get this from Walmart. It's not good because this is like nothing but sugar for real. But hey, it's the double bubble 1 pound bag, y'all. Walmart for like $4. I like to just have this when I'm on the go because I don't feel like stopping nowhere. If I got it and it's already in my purse, I don't have to stop nowhere and spend no money or, you know, go out my way. So that, what else? We're gonna put some sunglasses in there. It's hot, y'all. It's time to be a baddie. I actually got these from Amazon, but they sell them also on Temu. These are some sunglasses dupes of either the Burberry. Yeah, I think they're the Burberry ones, the dupes. Got my little taser razor and also a fan. It's a bladeless fan, chargeable. It has 3 speeds, and I got this from Temu. So let's get into it. Let's see what we about to do. So we're gonna move all this over here. Here goes the purse. So we're just gonna put this in here. Very much easy to, you know, move around and maneuver. Put my fan in here. That's my fan. Put my gum right here, or put my gum right here. Wallet. Put it in there. Sunglasses. Taser. Keys. Close it on up. And there we go. And then, y'all, I thought this was so cute. This is actually, where am I gonna put this? Am I gonna put this on here? The cat from one of the Disney movies. I thought this was so cute. It's like a gray color. The bag's like a gray color. So, you know, just a little something to have as far as decoration. And I really want to put my nail on here. Does it go? Not really, but I don't care. Oh, wait. Hold on. So this is cute. Just a little something. Just a little grab and go. You can either carry it on your shoulder or on your arm. I probably just carry it to my arm. It's not too heavy, and y'all, this is perfect. perfect, perfect, perfect. So this is my new bag for the month. Had to switch it up. So I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.